by minute, I mean a week. But it's time to finish up the Cinderella transformation gown. There's only about 2 weeks left of this, hopefully. So today I'm going to finish up the bodice, add the apron pieces, and sit down and do a whole lot of hand sewing. And then after that, we'll have the skirt and then putting it all together. So 2 weeks left to work, and then we'll finally see the final product. I am looking forward to it, and it's been a long time coming. So today we're just gonna show you how I finished up the bodice and all that, and I'll see you guys for next week with the skirt.
Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed you wanted us to hang out in. I guess you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, oh. Room 2110, what I come here for. I wanted to talk, but you kept slurring your words. Was not your best presentation. I know you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. When you said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear.
Alright, so this is the bodice. This doesn't have any boning yet. And this is top that you can technically put on all the way by yourself, but it does get difficult. Like right here I have a little gap, and I just popped my shoulder because you can't stretch too much. But once I put on the ball gown under this, I'll have a corset that will help kind of make everything smaller and easier to put on. But I am liking the look. It looks like it's its own shirt with a little bit gaps. The apron will be pulled down later. It'll be weighed down by the skirt and such once you add it. So that's why it's such a rough edge. But I feel very maid-like. I feel like I've been working and living in the attic the whole time. Now, if I were to pull this off, the best way I think is because there are sleeves, and if you pull straight out, it's only so far you can go with the sleeves. So I would pull up first and then go. And you can still see I should have pulled up a little bit farther on the sleeves because it's the exact spot that should go on. So now that you made your two pieces, pull up to about mid forearm, go straight out, and now you already know that's going to be your movement when we make it transform. So, though it's a short episode, that's what we got for this week. And next week, we'll start on the skirt and putting these two bodices together. So then it'll start looking more and more like the final product. Comment below if you have any questions, and leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.